Hello everyone. Today I have the Google Pixel 8 Pro. I got this phone on a special that's being offered currently on this model. As everyone knows, this phone was introduced in October of 2023. So today I want to know if this phone is worth buying in 2024. So let's get hands-on with this phone. Just a word of advice, anytime you buy a new Pixel device, this is what the actual seals look like. So when you get your device, it should have this type of seal on it where you can peel off and break the seal. That's for new devices only. Let's go ahead and get it open. Now this is the porcelain color, 128 gig unlocked, factory unlocked Pixel Pro. Let's go ahead and take it out of the box here. This is what the product looks like. This is how the phone is packaged. You get a USB-C to C cable, USB-C to A adapter, and a little booklet there that has some useless nonsense, I guess. And this is the actual phone here. Matte finish backing with a shiny aluminum camera bump. The side of the phone here is a nice shiny aluminum. This is where your SIM card tray goes. Yes, it still has a SIM card. The bottom here has got your USB-C in the middle and speakerphone and microphone connections. Rotate up to the top here. You have another microphone here at the top and speakers right along the top edge there. And if we look at the other side, we have your volume rocker, power button, and that's about it. This is the porcelain color. So it's kind of a whitish yellow, but I know on camera it's probably coming up more yellowish. Let's go ahead and fire up the phone for the first time. Now this Pixel has a 6.8 screen, features Google Tensor's Series 3 or Generation 3 processor, 12 gigs of RAM, 128 gig storage. All of the Pixel Pros, at least released here in the United States, have 12 gigs of RAM. The different storage tiers range from 128 all the way up to 1 terabyte. The Pixel runs what's known as stock Android, which is really a vanilla Android experience with Google's skin on it. This is what you will be presented with when you boot up your phone for the first time. Welcome to Pixel. Like all Android devices, you have the option of selecting a setup using your old Android device or iPhone or iPad. It really doesn't matter how you set this up. It's all user preference. For this demonstration, I'm just going to say skip and get into the actual Android. And here you would select a Wi-Fi to do your activation. I'm going to go ahead and skip that too. If you have a new SIM card, you would insert it at this point. One note, this phone is capable of the Android eSIM technology, so you can set that up as well. We're going to continue with setup offline. And date and time confirmation, and of course all of the Google services, terms and condition, a lot of stuff that mostly nobody reads, but you should read it. Limited warranty disclaimer, legal terms, set up a pin. We're going to go ahead and skip all of this because I want to get to the actual setup of the phone. Swipe to navigate, or would you like regular buttons? So that's still an option. I should mention that this phone does ship with Android 14, and there we go. This phone does ship with Android 14. Google does guarantee 7 years of Android updates and security updates. We will have to wait and see how Google honors that guarantee. As you can see, this is a very snippy phone. Don't have much set up on it. Let me launch the camera. And there's the camera there. Pretty clean camera. In the coming weeks, I'll do some reviews of the actual photo photo capabilities of this phone. Just wanted to get this simple video out. I'll also do other videos on accessories and other items that can use in conjunction with this phone. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.